Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you how to make this hanging wall sign mockup with using the Canva simple design and apply to this mockup. So let's check it out. First of all, you log into your Canva account, and then this is a free, even you are free user also available and able to make it. It's very not difficult. So first you can come to Facebook post. So once you click in, the size is 940 times 788. So I will go to elements and searching about coffee cup. So they have a few, so they have a lot of this kind of design. I just scroll down and then I searching, just click it and then emphasize like this. Just click it like this. Then what I want to do is I need to make this surrounding and the cup becoming black color because I just want this outcome. So first of all, just make this background becoming black, and then come to elements, select the round. This round I will change to black color as well, matching the background. Here I will go into this border style, and then I select the line, and then I make this line. Okay, after I select the line, there will come out this border color. I just click it, and then I select black or white is look like this. Okay, I select the black color, and then this time the black color I select this one. This one is no color at all. It's called transparency. I back to this border wave. I make this border wave maybe about 20. Okay, now I just make this size can cover this. Okay, now I cover already, but still have a little bit balance this. Okay, now what I want to do is download this picture and then remove this black color. Okay, for current picture, and then one more time I can use the remove background to remove this black color, or you can use Photopea or another software tool. For example, the pixel or another tool like that. So once I use this Photopea, I can come to here, the magic wave, click the black color as well, area, click delete. So this is what I want. So once again, I export as PNG, and then I give this file name for 123, save it, then upload to Canva. If you are the Canva Pro user, you can upload just now this photo, and then you can reuse the remove BG to remove it if you are Canva Pro account user. So once have already, just put over here, make this photo becoming the size I want. And then after the size is okay already, I need to cut a little bit like this. Okay, now what I want to do, I want this surrounding there. So now I just lock it for make me easy to make another these elements. Okay, look like this. So now what I want to do is we have to apply one more this round circle. This round circle, just duplicate one more and then make this one can be touching over here, put into the, I think cannot put the center, I think should be put like, okay, should be put like this. So now I make a little bit smaller. Okay, look like this. Now we can apply the tags and the elements. Okay, like this. Then now I just apply two coffee beans. So for example, coffee bean. Okay, coffee bean, they have a, can click see all, then have a lot different design for you. Okay, now I change this color becoming brown color. Yep, we're going to Canva. This time I don't want this photo anymore. I just need to put in or drag and drop this new picture. Then magic wave, delete, magic wave, delete. So now we can see only left is some little text. We just click the R, delete, click the O, delete. Okay, I think very nice. Click, delete, click, delete. Okay, now once okay, come to file, export as PNG. This time the file name we change 1 2 3 4 5, save it. So now we just cross it. Yes, this one we not need anymore. So now we back to this Photopea interface. We click this PSD template. We can scroll down to find the hanging mockup. Just click it. Click photopea.com. Then waiting a loading time. Okay, now we coming to your design here. We'll double click. So this is sample. We just hide these eyes, they will disappear or just temporarily conceal it. We come to the files, open and place. Just now my name file is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this one upload. So now I just come to end the corner. In the corner over here, then scroll up like this. Okay, once you're happy, just tick and then come to the files and then come to save smart object. Once updated, come to here and then we can see this is the result. So this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.